Welcome to Coder Vlog. In this video, I will tell you how to aid a character movement in Unity 2D game. So in this scene, in this view, this is my character and I have to aid a movement to that character. For that, I will show you my code I have right in this website. So this is code. So and I have explained that code here. So you can visit my blogging website in the description. So now I will tell you, this is my character. You have to create a empty script and then you have to add that code. Okay, so let me explain that code. In this code I have create two variables, that is character move speed and direction X. So character move speed is the rate of displacement or the value of speed, that how fast a player or character can move. Okay, and this will decide the direction, that it will move on the right direction or on the left direction. Okay, so in this script you can see that there is a start function and update function. The start function is called when the script call for the first time. So for the first time when the script is called, so the character move speed is equal to 6 float value. Okay, so and is the update function is called every frame per second. Okay, this is regularly and continuously called frame per second. So this line of code is basically Input.GetAxis horizontal. Horizontal is basically a constant global variable which has already the keyboard key sets. So I will show you. You have to go to the project setting and you will see that there is a input manager and there is a horizontal global variable. So the negative, when I click on when I press the left arrow key, so it will give me some negative value. When I press right arrow, so it will give me a positive number. Okay, so now let's add the script to the character. I have already right here. So this is the script. So I need to click on this character and drag the script here. Okay, then I have to play to check how it is working or not. So when I play and I move left or right, so it working as expected. So this is how easily you can aid a character movement in Unity. Okay, and the code is available on my blogging website, which will be available in the link in description. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.